So you've come to Lariat over in Liberty Hill. We're just off of 29 and 214. So we are a community that is going to be multiple sections in here. So you're going to be anywhere from 40-foot product on up to the section that you're in right now, which is a 70 and 80-foot product. So we build on 70s and 80s. We also build in the 60-foot section as well. And then you have a study down here as well. So we do in both sections have homes to build on or lots to build on. We also do have a good amount of inventory. We just moved in this particular model that you came in today 3 weeks ago. So it is very new. And I do have inventory homes here that are going to be ready. If you did want to do a build job, we have a plethora of lots to choose from. Those are going to be a 6 or 7 month build time.
Okay.
So the model, the home that you are in right now is going to be the Huxley floor plan. It comes just under around 3,700 square feet. Then you do have the master here to the left, very spacious room. This is a king bed in here and you have plenty of room in here. Here you've got 2 bathrooms downstairs with 2 bedrooms. So all of our 2-story plans, the cool things about them are going to have 2 bedrooms downstairs with 2 full baths and usually a powder bath. And then upstairs you have 2 bedrooms with 2 baths. And this particular home can be built on our 70s and 80-foot wide lots.
Got it.
This home, because it is a model, does have, quite a few upgrades, but you can see the plan mix here. Master bathroom is gorgeous, and a lot of people like this plan because they love that the master closet goes to the laundry room, so it walks through. So as far as the community, we have a new elementary school in the community. We have parks, pools. We will have catch and release stock ponds. We will have dog parks. There are pocket parks throughout the community. So there is like a little playground by the pool area, and y'all could drive by there and shoot that as well for them. Some of the amenities, like some of the pocket parks and dog parks, are not open yet, so those are to come. And the school, they're still under construction.
The school's still under construction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that will open up.
Elementary school and middle school?
I think it's just the elementary, and that will open up next year.
Oh wow, this is gorgeous.
Yes, so it is. So. We also added the sliding doors here. This would normally just be windows here. So this was an option to do this large slider here. We did add this, the patio comes with this home here. We did add the balcony upstairs. We do have some lots in all 3 sections that would give you privacy in the back, where you would not back up to anyone. And then we also do have some cul-de-sac lots that would be wider in the back. And some of those don't have people behind them as well. So plenty of room back here for the kids to play. Plus they'll have the park and all the other amenities that are here. Like the little butler's pantry.
Office / butler's pantry.
Mm-hmm. We did add a media room upstairs. This one here with the media room, you're probably going to be right around 39.
39.
Mm-hmm. So you do have your lovely game room here that goes into your media room. And then you do have the balcony off the media room. So you have stunning views up here
Nice gas range.
Yes, we do have gas standard out here in the community.